Sandy here. You probably remember me from your childhood. Well, like most of yous, I've heard Christmas music, so when these guys asked me to join the band, I jumped on the chance. They live in Maine, so it's like the next town over. I can tell you that these guys have their own instruments. Wow. So these guys came up with the idea, let's put 12 of our best holiday tracks onto one CD. And these guys should really do that someday. Until then, you'll have to listen to these.
Shepherds heard the angels singing in the night, saw a brilliant star shining bright, fell down to their knees and thanked the Lord for this little baby that had been born.
When Jesus was a little baby boy, he brought his mama all kinds of joy. When Jesus was a little baby boy, when Jesus was a little baby boy.
60-watt colored light bulbs strung across our town. It feels so much like Christmas, gentle snowflakes falling down. We cruise up and down Main Street, just me and my Marie. Gaze at 60-watt colored light bulbs strung across our street. Ooh, it's Christmas. Ooh, it's Christmas time. Ooh, it's Christmas. Ooh, it's Christmas time. Out on the road, out on the road goes Nazareth.
This is the song that my grandpa taught me when I was a small little girl. He sang it each Christmas and I can still hear my grandpa singing to me. He sang Merry, Merry Christmas to my little girl. May all your wishes come true. And may you remember long after I'm gone how much your grandpa loves you.
So I remember recording that little girl, Lily Wallace. She was 11 years old at the time. But I still can't believe these guys put together something this good, and neither will you.
That's right, Santa.
Hey, it's my co-host. This guy.
It's a thrill to work with you, Santa. I remember you from my childhood.
I remember you too, Billy.
It's Brian, Santa.
Say, didn't you guys used to give away these CDs at the town dump?
Sure did, and not a single person ever brought one back. So now these same people can actually pay to get a copy of all this music, all on one incredibly long CD.
Like these unfortunate songs, right here.
Nobody here likes goat cheese, so please cross that off your list. Nobody here likes canned sardines, black jelly beans, blood sausage, or processed fish. I think you have us confused with some unfortunate Canadian kids. So when you come back here this Christmas Eve, you can pick up some of last year's gifts.
Over here, I found a nice snowblower. That may be a nice Christmas gift for the old lady. What do you think?
Oh yeah, plenty of life left in it.
Yeah. What I really need to find is a good boat and motor.
Yeah, what year?
Yeah. You got anyone to find one over there yet?
No.
Got an 8-foot boat over here. It's got a few holes in it. Might be good though. Take out fishing.
Here's a 1972 Ford F-150.
Oh yeah? You got a sticker on it?
Stick it.
Oh, Jesus, I think I found myself a boat and motor. An old lady cleaning that. I brought fishing. She'll like that.
She pulls my hair, she makes me mad. I'm telling you, she's been bad, and you should give her gifts to someone else. She takes my things, she makes me cry. She was born to terrify, and I think I must inform you for myself. I've got a mean big sister, sucking all the joy from life she can. I've got a mean big sister, and I'm hoping you might notice now and then.
Now there's no more Grinch at all. It sounds so funny, but it's true. And all it took was just one look from my own little Debbie Lou.
You know, Brandon, it's Christmas at our house all year long.
It's Brian, Santa.
That's right. And you know that they don't make CDs like this anymore.
That's because each CD is handmade by these guys.
They sure are, Bobby. From their out-of-date studios to their borrowed paper cutter. These CDs are produced, burned, hand-stamped, and pasted together by these guys.
Wow, Santa, that seems like a lot of work.
Believe me, these guys have a lot of time on their hands.
True that, Santa.
So if yous wants a copy of this obscure holiday music, be sure to order soon. These guys need the money by Christmas.
Each day that passes by, I think of you. I think of you. No tree, no wreath by your door. Nobody to talk to. I think of you. I think of you. I think of you. In a barren manger on a darkened night, the world is changing right before our eyes. Our world is changing right before our eyes. Come and see the baby. Come and see the baby, the newborn king of the world. Come and see the baby. Come and see the baby, the newborn king of the world. Lightning flashed his red, straightening up last year's road, sucking down last year's and sitting that Yuletide glow, lighting up last year's candle.
It makes it feel like Christmas is here. Another sip of last year's wine, and I'm getting pretty good cheer.
Noel, a star brightly shining to lead these three magi on their quest. The Savior of mankind was foremost on their mind as they crossed the Balthazar and the rest. Noel, Noel, it's Christmas. Noel, Noel, Noel.
So why spend dozens of dollars in any of your time searching for holiday music when you can find holiday music right here, all in one CD?
I'm listening to it right now, Santa.
I'm hearing loud noises, banging, synthesizers, real human voices.
That's right, Santa, and remember, none of these CDs are sold in stores.
In fact, these guys are no longer welcome in certain retail chains.
Yeah, well, Santa, that got ugly in a hurry. It was very unfortunate.
So make sure that you get your copy before supplies run out. So how many copies do these guys have left, Barry?
Oh, Santa, I'm gonna guess 15, maybe 20.
Seems like a lot of effort to be pitching a little more than a dozen CDs.
It sure is.
So hear these guys like you've never heard them before. This CD has been totally remastered by non-professionals. I tell you, this is as good as they're ever gonna sound.
Well, that's too bad.
So remember, Ricky, to check the expiration date on the milk carton before you leave it out for Santa this year.
Okay, what do you think?
I think that's sappy, crappy, and it makes me unhappy. Maybe you should take up a new hobby. Maybe you spend more of your time at your job.
Nah, I don't want to spend more time there. I hate my boss.
You are the boss.
Oh, yeah. Well, hey, anyway, Merry Christmas, kids.
I hope my friends don't hear this song. On behalf of Elvis fans everywhere, we apologize for my grandfather. Merry Christmas!